Hello everyone, here's Greta Lily. Welcome back. You're watching this video because you've seen the thumbnail or you're searching about the bag which I want to show. So without further ado, let's jump to it. This crossbody bag from Calvin Klein is the model Brenda in turquoise color. Made of fox leather, it has two zippers on the front and one at the back side with the fox leather zipper puller. Includes are this shoulder strap with the same color with the silver hook, and it's really long. The lining is made of nylon with all over printed Calvin Klein in black. One slip packet, a big one, can fit the phone, I guess. And the other side is one more big packet with the zipper. Also, you've seen the patches there or the tags, also in fox leather. This bag is very spacious for its size and good for everyday use. It is not only trendy but also affordable. It has this D-ring. It's written also here Calvin Klein, and both sides. About the straps is, I think this is too long. Yeah, I went to the leather shop and I let it punch for another holes. I'll show you when it's not, when I don't put other holes for adjusting the shoulder straps. I suggest if you want to buy this Brenda from Calvin Klein crossbody bag, you should go to the leather shop, or if you have something that to punch another hole to shorten it, because it is really long. For a reference, I'm only 152 centimeter. Or use it for another option as a shoulder bag or a handbag in short version. And this is how it, here is how. You have to detach the longer part of the shoulder strap from the short one. From long to this. short. Oh, before it ends, I want to show you what fits inside to this small crossbody bag from Calvin Klein model Brenda. It fits my OM5 on DJI OM5 gimbal, which I really need every time I go out for a blogger, you know. And if I don't want to carry a big bag with me, or I want the free hands walking around, then this bag is perfect. It is a kind of carefree bag for everyday use. Also, I always carry the second phone in case my iPhone 13 Pro get the battery empty. It is really necessary. So it doesn't fit to the uh, packet with a zipper, and also not with a slip packet. So I decided to put it on the sides. Of course, I carry something like my card case. This is from Coach. It fits here in this packet with a zipper. Coin purse from MS. I'm gonna put it in the side sleeve packet. I also carry my powder. This is from Sisley. And lipstick also from Sisley. I also need my perfume. This is from Bottega Veneta. I love the smell of this. It's the illusion. Really smell good. Still fits inside. And let me close it. Okay, I got no problem closing this bag with a lot of stuffs inside because it has a big mouth opening with this two side to side zipper, or how do you call it? At the back side, I still have space so I can put my other iPhone or anything, and also I can still carry my car keys and of course the house keys. Ensure it still fits inside. This bag is a gift from a friend, and she said, "This is the lucky color of this year, 2023, year of the water rabbit, according to the Chinese lunar year." And why not? I already got luck when receiving it, and maybe this bring more luck because this is not only trendy, as I've said, it is spacious, and if someone wanna buy this is also affordable and carefree bag. And here is my feedback to this turquoise Brenda crossbody from Calvin Klein. It is lightweight, it carries a lot, but the shoulder strap are too long. Another plus point is that I try to convert this into a short shoulder strap bags or a handbag. And you can see how much it can carry for its size. So all in all, I am so thankful and grateful to a friend who's gifted me this bag. Yeah, and I enjoy it. Hope you also enjoy watching this video, guys. And my friend bought this in America, but if you want to search, you can find this in Amazon by searching Calvin Klein crossbody bag Brenda. So I really advise to go or make another holes for this shoulder strap because as you can see, it is for a tall woman and not for a petite like me. Or yeah, like what I said, we have a solution. Put another holes, but it won't look so nice on the other side because it's longer than the clip or the hook. From long to this short shoulder bag or handbag.